Hello, and welcome to another mini tutorial from Parametricos. Today we'll look into taking your project from VisualARQ to Parametricos Studio. First, you would like to make sure that you have VisualARQ installed and activated and that you own a Parametricos account. Then you can open an IFC file and wait for VisualARQ to process the import. You can then go ahead and make any changes you wish to the model's geometry, including adding, removing and designing any new BIM elements. With that, you can now save the file as an IFC 2x3 and head on to Parametricos to create a new project. Once you add your details and the project's location, you can navigate on the map and adjust the pin to the exact site. You can now see your newly created project and add a new model to it by choosing the file you exported from VisualARQ. You'll have to wait a few moments for your model to upload and process. Once that is done, you can now visualize the model, navigate inside your project and isolate any element from the drop-down menu. Have fun using Parametricos.